In finance, we often deal with uncertainty. A probability distribution is simply a way to map out all the possible outcomes for an investment. Think of it as a roadmap for risk. It shows you what is likely to happen versus what is just a remote possibility. Because every outcome is accounted for, the total probability must always add up to 100%, or 1.0. These three pieces help investors understand the central tendency of an asset and how wide the range of potential performance might be. A normal distribution is balanced, but financial markets often show skewness, where extreme events happen more often than a simple bell curve suggests. The classic bell curve shows that most outcomes cluster near the middle, with extreme gains or losses becoming increasingly rare as you move outward. Remember that these distributions are just models. Real market behavior can surprise even the most sophisticated statistical tools. Understanding probability helps you assess risk more clearly. Thanks for watching, and remember this is educational content, not financial advice.